Higgsfield is a cinematic AI platform designed for creators who want consistent, film-quality visuals without complicated workflows. Instead of random clips, it focuses on structured storytelling and realistic camera movement. Tools like Popcorn let you generate full storyboard sequences from a single prompt, keeping characters, scenes, and style consistent. With Cinematic Studio, you can turn one image into multiple professional camera angles to make your scenes feel more dynamic and cinematic. Together, these features make Higgsfield a powerful and affordable way to create story-driven AI videos with a true film look. Let's dive in now. Visit higgsfield.ai. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once you are on the website, make sure you log in or sign up first. This is important because your generations, credits, and past projects are only saved when you are logged in, and it also allows you to access advanced features later. To create a consistent cinematic video, the first step is generating strong images. As you can see, Higgsfield offers several image generation tools, and we will start with the Higgsfield Popcorn tool. This tool is designed to generate a full cinematic storyboard in one go. With a single prompt, it can create up to 8 connected scenes that follow the same characters, environment, lighting style, and visual story, making it perfect for planning short films or cinematic sequences. Now, write or paste a short prompt to begin. For this demo, I will use something like this. Generate a cinematic 3D image storyboard in exactly 8 scenes. Consistent characters, outfits, and environments across all scenes. Realistic 3D render, cinematic lighting, dramatic composition. Clear visual story progression from scene 1 to scene 8. No dialogue or text in images. Once done, choose the number of outputs from 1 to 8. I will select 8. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio, but if you're not sure, leaving it on auto works perfectly. A quick tip, if you ever run out of credits on Higgsfield, you can enable the unlimited option wherever it appears. This allows you to generate images or videos for free, but the trade-off is slower generation speed. You can also upload up to 4 reference images of your characters, environment, or visual style to guide the generation and keep everything more accurate and consistent. If you want full control over each scene, you can switch to the manual option and describe every storyboard frame yourself. For this demo, I will keep it on auto. Click on Generate when you are ready. As you can see, all 8 scenes have been generated. If you do not like the result, you can regenerate the entire storyboard. If you like it, take screenshots of the scenes and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the images and write a simple prompt like this. Write a video prompt for all these scenes. ChatGPT will analyze the images and generate matching video prompts for each scene. Now, copy the prompt for scene 1 and return to Higgsfield. On the image, you can download it or delete it. If you like it, click on the 3 dots and select Animate to turn the image into a video. Clear any existing prompt and paste the new one. Click on the Model selector and choose a video model. I will go with Kling 2.6. Select your preferred video duration and aspect ratio, or leave it on auto to match the image. Enable audio if you want sound included. Click Generate and wait for the result. While that is generating, let's start scene 2. Go back to Popcorn, click on the 3 dots, select Animate, clear the previous prompt, copy scene 2 from ChatGPT, paste it here, and keep the same settings to maintain consistency. Click Generate again. Now, let's play both results and check the outcome.
What the hell is going on? This card might be the key to everything, but I have to be careful now.
If you like them, continue generating the remaining scenes. You can always regenerate any scene that doesn't look right. At this point, I have generated videos for all scenes. The next step is to download them, rename them properly, and bring everything into a video editor. I personally prefer CapCut because it's fast, beginner-friendly, and gives me full control over transitions, sound effects, and color adjustments without slowing down my workflow. Before editing, if you feel the story is not complete, you can click on the last image, select Keyframe, describe what should happen next, and generate an additional scene to finish the story smoothly. Now, let's explore Higgsfield Cinematic Studio. This feature allows you to generate multiple cinematic camera angles from a single image, helping you tell the story in a deeper and more dramatic way. You can access Cinematic Studio from the top panel or by hovering over an image and selecting it from there. Once inside, you'll see all previously generated images. If this is your first time, the space will be empty. Click the plus icon to upload the image you want to work with. Enter a prompt like this: low-angle wide camera placed near street level, facing the character as he walks towards the camera in a rainy night city street, tall skyscraper looming in the background, wet road reflections, slow cinematic motion, moody neon lighting, realistic film look. Select the number of results between 1 and 4. Choose your aspect ratio. I will use 16:9. Choose your resolution. I prefer 4K. You can also select camera type and lens, but if you are not sure, leaving them as default works fine. Click Generate and wait for the result. Here we have one result. If you want more variations, click the small arrow. You'll see two options. What's Next generates 8 follow-up scenes that continue the story naturally, and Multi-Shots generates up to 9 different camera angles of the same scene. This is the result from What's Next. You can see how it continues the story smoothly, expanding the scene into a full cinematic sequence. This is the result from Multi-Shots. You now have multiple camera angles of the same moment, allowing you to pick the shot that best fits your story, or even mix several together for a more dynamic edit. Now, move to your video editor. Import all the generated clips, arrange them on the timeline, add transitions, sound effects, and background music that match the mood. This is the final cinematic result after everything is put together.
What the hell is going on?
This card might be the key to everything, but I have to be careful now.
We're almost there.
I have to find the mainframe before anyone notices. System is responding within optimal parameters. Initiating sequence 2 for diagnostics. Every move is under watch. Nothing escapes us. The city never sleeps, even in the rain. Something is coming.
Higgsfield is easily one of the most affordable cinematic AI tools available right now, especially considering the quality it delivers. If you want to create movie-style videos, short films, or cinematic content without expensive equipment, this tool is absolutely worth exploring. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of cinematic project you plan to create with Higgsfield. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.